everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me a bit today. So happy you're here. I have my latest Stitch Fix to open, and if you've been hanging out with me a bit, you will know my Stitch Fixes have been really good lately. Really good. I'm Laura. If you're new, Wyatt is a white puppy dog. He's hanging out with me today. Xena is asleep. She's a tan puppy dog. I don't know if she'll make an appearance. I'm thinking no. And if you see a kitty running around, that's Harvey. We're so happy you're here. As I said, we hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on creating new content for you. Okay, so Stitch Fix. I think you all know what Stitch Fix is. I'm not even going to run through it. But I do love that they have the preview now. The preview is amazing because they'll put together like 12 styles or more that you can pick from and add them to your next fix. And then you can leave notes for your stylist for the things that you want her to add or him to add. And I think that has really been upping the game for the Stitch Fix fixes. Also, when you go out onto their freestyle shop, you can bookmark or tag items that you really like, and your stylist can see those as well, because I've gotten some of those. So lots of ways in which to make sure that your fixes start to be amazing. Also playing the style game, so if you're not playing that, want us to play that style game, you can give thumbs up or thumbs down to pieces. That really helps your stylist as well. Alright, so you get a bag to try anything you don't love and don't want to keep. You get a little envelope with ideas of how to wear your items, notes from your stylist, as well as your pricing sheet. And then you get your bundles. So I have 4 items here, plus shoes. Right, let's do this. I think that I did pick a couple of, I picked a couple of items, maybe one. I don't know. I definitely picked at least one item from my preview. And then I left notes. So first up, we have the Michael Stars Katie dress. And I did ask for knit dresses that pack well and go well from work from home or work to weekend. So this probably does fit the bill kind of nicely and will really go into fall really well. Actually, this would be cute with sandals, flip-flops, or booties, or tennis shoes actually. So I like this. It has the ruching on the side, which is like one of Michael Stars things. They do that with a lot. It just kind of adds a little bit of forgiveness to that hip and bum and tummy area. So I do really like that. That's cute. Next up, this one I know I definitely picked from my preview. It is called the Z Supply Jamie Midi dress. I thought the colors were cute in this. I love that it was like soft fabrication. Check that out. Has the little gathers right here with the little tie. It's a little bit flowy, and it does have a rounded bottom. So cute, right? I like that. That is really pretty, and the colors are pretty. Next we have the Marine Layer Lexi Rib Spaghetti Strap Dress. Oh, this is cute. This one is a nice ribbed material. It's a little thicker. I'm hoping this is coming across on the video if you guys can see that. It does. I think it has pockets. Is that pockets? I'm feeling something. No. It must be lined or something. It is. It's lined. I could feel something in there. And it has a back slit. This is super cute. This would definitely pack well, and you could definitely go from work to weekend in this. That is adorable. And then we have for the last clothing item, another Z Supply dress. This is the Cat Golden Hour Floral Dress. Oh, how pretty is this? Oh, that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Oh, it's tiered at the bottom. The colors are beautiful. This will be another one you could wear into fall. These colors. It is lined. This is gorgeous. Oh, I love that. Okay, I think my stylist did an amazing job here. I'm going to show you the shoes. I just wanted to see really quickly. My stylist is Janina. I've had her for quite some time now, and she really tries to make sure I get amazing pieces. So this is Fix 145, and she said, given your love for the perfect blend of comfort and style, especially in dresses that transition smoothly from work from home to weekend outings, I've curated a selection with versatility in mind. For an effortless transition from work from home to weekend chic, the off-white Z Supply dress in the Golden Hour floral print is a perfect choice. It's breezy. Style pairs beautifully with the sandals I'm going to show you in a minute. Offer a comfortable yet elevated look that's also ideal for packing on trips. The brown Michael Stars dress from your Freestyle saved items has been included for its on-trend design and easy wearability, ensuring you have stylish options that meet your request for dresses that can go anywhere with ease. So I love that she really put some effort into making sure I would like these pieces. And I like in the picture here for the Z Supply dress, they kind of do show it with a fall look. Do you see that with the long sweater? So like a summer and a fall look. I love that. Okay, let me show you the shoes here. I got so excited. You always want to get excited whenever you get a box, right? You want that to happen. So check these out. These are very different. They're by Camuto. How cute are those? So those have probably a 2-inch stacked heel here. They're just open. I like all this design. They look like they'd be comfortable. These have a softer bottom, like some cushion. So I'm excited about these too. All right, so hopefully this is another amazing fix. We won't know till we get to the try on, so let's do it. First outfit, how about the Michael Stars dress? I really enjoy this one. I think it is super cute. I believe they sent me an extra small. Yep, this is an extra small. The color is brown. It's called the Katie dress. $98 regular price. So, and of course, as you know, Stitch Fix, if you keep all 5, you get 25% off. Your styling fee goes against anything that you keep. So, lots of options. I love the length on this. I think this is cute. And you can make it longer or shorter based on how you handle the ruching. That's the joy of the dress, right? It's meant to either bring it up or bring it down, and also just allow a little bit of extra gathering here around any type of trouble areas you may have. If you don't have any, awesome. This dress still looks amazing. I like this color. I think this is a very, very cute dress. What do you think of this one? So, yes, I already told you the price. I also have the shoes on. So these are the Camuto Luesda Sandal. I'm wearing an 8, which is my regular price. $79 is the regular price. Check those out. They're very comfortable. I'm loving the little cushy platform. I don't feel like they're like flat on the ground. I think they're super cute. What do you guys think of these? They're very different, I think. I'm kind of enjoying them. Let's do the next dress. Next up, the Z Supply dress. This one feels amazing on. It is body skimming, a little flirty here at the bottom, comes up on the side. I love the pattern. This would be perfect over top of a bathing suit or just with flip-flops I have on right now as for a casual day. Great for packing, great for vacation. I didn't have a regular bra on today. I was actually wearing a T-back bralette, which you could see, but I think that you probably could wear a regular bra with this, which would be super nice. Makes it even more comfortable. I love this. The colors are so pretty too. So nice. Oh, I wish you guys could feel this. It's so yummy, yummy good. Soft, soft, soft. All right, so for the Z Supply Jamie Midi dress in pink, I'm wearing an extra small, $78. I don't feel like that's bad. Like, I feel like so far my prices have not been bad at all. $78. Let me know what you think. I'm such a sucker for a little black dress, and this one is an amazing one. So it has spaghetti straps that are comfortable because they are stretchy, but they fit me. Generally, if it doesn't have an adjustable strap, it doesn't work for me. This one does. I'm loving it. It's in this ribbing fabric, and let's see, I think I just have a slit in the back. It is very body flattering without being too tight. It has a lot of stretch and give to it. Here's the back. I feel like you could do so many things with this. You could dress this up with heels and go out on the town. You could wear flip-flops and head to the beach. You could throw this on over top of your bathing suit. You could put a blazer over it and a nice heel and head to work. It feels like it just checks all the boxes. Let me know what you think. Hopefully you can see all this ribbing. So, so pretty. This one is called the Marine Layer Lexi Rib Spaghetti Strap Dress. I'm wearing an extra small, and it's $88. So pretty, so easy, such an easy one and done. And we have one last dress. Final outfit, the Z Supply dress. How pretty is this? So much movement. Love the tiered. I don't even mind the crinkle effect to all of this, because you can just throw it in your bathing suit. Throw it in your bathing suit, yes. Throw it in your suitcase, and then take it on you with vacation, and then wear it for a night out, or wear it over your bathing suit. Just all the things. This one is so pretty. I did leave I had a tea-back bralette, as I mentioned, on. I left that on. It helps a little bit here. I think I would probably wear something anyway, because this is a deep V. It does have a flirty little sleeve, as well as this ruffled bottom and these really pretty colors. Paired back to the sandals. So super cute. I'm in love with this. Can you tell me, what do you think? What do you think? One nice feature I noticed when I was putting it on is they put a little slit in the lining here, which gives it more breezy movement, so it's not feeling like it's clinging to your body and making it restrictive. So I love that. It leaves it very easy breezy. Little Miss C came out. If you guys can see her, she's hiding behind the box here. So she finally got out of bed. And this one is called the Z Supply Cat Golden Hour Floral Dress. I'm wearing an extra small, and it is $119. So for everything, all 5 pieces, $462 if I kept it all, $115.50 off at the 25%, bringing my total to $346.50 for all 5 items, which I'm actually thinking is really good. I don't do the style. I have the style pass, so I don't get the $20 styling fee. So I'm really, really enjoying this. I might size up in the Michael Stars dress. This one, I'm thinking about going to a small to give myself a little bit more room for this one. But I thought everything else fit perfectly and was spot on, and I'm really enjoying these sandals. So if you don't want to have your foot elevated, this would be a great option. And they're comfortable, super comfortable. So what do you think? I will list all of these items down below for you in case you'd like to check any of them out for yourself. I'll put all my information for stitchfix down below in case you'd like to give this service a try. I personally am really enjoying it, and I feel like they've upped their game over the course of the last 6 to 12 months. So I've really been getting some great, great pieces. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and I will catch you next video. Bye, everybody.